In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Gmail desktop notifications. If you're someone who relies heavily on email for work or personal communication, having desktop notifications can be incredibly helpful. They ensure you never miss an important message by alerting you as soon as an email arrives, directly on your desktop. Let's go ahead and dive into the process of setting this up with clarity and ease. Firstly, you'll want to make sure your computer is connected to the internet and your web browser is open. Begin by navigating to your Gmail account. You can do this by typing in the Gmail address in your web browser's address bar and logging in with your credentials. Once you're logged into your Gmail account, you're going to look in the upper right corner of your screen for the settings icon, which typically looks like a small gear. Click on this gear icon, which will open a drop-down menu. From here, you'll want to select See All Settings to proceed to the main settings page. The settings page offers a variety of options to help customize your Gmail experience, but for now, we're going to stay focused on enabling desktop notifications. You should be on the General tab by default. Scroll down through the General settings until you find the section labeled Desktop Notifications. This is where you'll see the options to turn notifications on or off, depending on your needs. Desktop notifications in Gmail offer several choices. If you want to be notified about all incoming mail, select New Mail Notifications On. Alternatively, if you only want to be notified about important messages marked in your priority inbox, choose Important Mail Notifications On. Be sure to only enable the option that suits your needs best to prevent notification overload. Once you've made your choice, remember to scroll all the way to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. This is crucial as any unsaved changes will not take effect. For those using Chrome, it's important to grant permission for Gmail to send notifications. A pop-up may appear at the top of your browser asking for permission. Make sure to click Allow to ensure Gmail sends notifications directly to your desktop. Now you've successfully enabled Gmail desktop notifications. At any time, you can go back into settings to adjust these preferences as needed. Remember that desktop notifications can help improve your workflow and ensure you never miss an email, but it's also essential to find the right balance to prevent distractions. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more tips on optimizing your online experience.